welcome you back again for another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at how to create a simple project that will help us to calculate prices of products. So let's go ahead and say we have this product, and this product comprises of grape, and the price is 5.9, and guava is 4.5, mango is 4.8, and cashew is 2.4, and banana is 3.0, and the pear is 5.8. So this might be in your own currency or in dollars or any other one. So for us to ask user to select any of the products, I will go ahead and calculate the prices. We go ahead and say, use a for loop to say that for pro price in products, for pro price in products dot items, then we go ahead and say print pro, and is equal to the products, then print the price. Okay, now let's say that cost is equal to 0, initialize that, and then using a while loop we go ahead and say that y true, that is boring, y true. We go ahead and say that pro is equal to input. So we're going to ask the user input. I'll go ahead and tell the user select products. So select products, and then in brackets go ahead and say n, let that be in lowercase, n equal to nothing. Okay, select product n equal to nothing, and go ahead and use an if statement to say that if pro is equivalent to n, that means no product is selected, then go ahead and break out. Now go ahead and say quantity of product is equal to integer, and go ahead and tell the user how many you want, amount or number of products, number of particular products you want. Alright, so we go ahead and say that cost plus equal product, the value of pro multiply the quantity, then we go ahead and print, go ahead and imprint price of products, depending on how many you've selected. Okay, now we go ahead and put a comma and put it in costs. Now let's go ahead and run this code and check it out. So here it listed. Go ahead and drag this up. Grape is equal to 5.9, and that is what we have right up here. And guava is 4.5. It listed all the products, and now ask you to select products. Go ahead and select mango, and number of products you select, let's say 5. You can select another product, maybe apple. Number of products 3. That is a problem right here. Okay, there's nothing like apple right here, so there is a problem. You can see that. Run this code again. There's nothing like apple right there. So let's say mango, and products is 5. Then let's say banana, we have banana right there, and product number of products is 3. And we have guava, and the number is I want like 10 pieces. Alright, I don't need any other one. Go ahead and put N to break out, and the price of the product is 78.0. Can you see that? It calculates everything and print that out for you. So this is what it does for you, and that is how the system works. So go ahead and put this down on your own system and play around with it. And in case if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.